Whether you are a developer seeking to build the next big dApp or just a gem hunter looking to find the next big gem, today we're going to be talking about Mind or Morpheus Hub because what these guys are doing with AI is absolutely incredible. Let's dive into the video. So this is Morpheus Hub, and guys, this is probably one of the best AI projects out there because it's not just another AI token, it's actually the Mind token, and it's the backbone of Morpheus Labs' powerful Web3 and AI platform. Now, these guys basically have real utility applying it to real B2B services, Launchpad participation, and fundraising activity. Mind offers more than just speculative value. It's actually something that is the infrastructure behind a lot of the big names in crypto and a lot of mainstream names as well. So what do these guys actually do? Well, obviously Morpheus Hub is going to be the platform and they're going to host all of the technology, but the backbone of this platform will be the Mind token. And it's really just an AI token that's venturing into the booming AI agent space, aligning with one of crypto's hottest trends right now. It's actually backed by a Singaporean company with over a decade of real industry expertise. So not your average degen team. We can see that it says here, collaborate to succeed. So they're going to have an ecosystem where you can connect with top industry leaders such as Huawei, Tencent, Ant Group, Alibaba, and more. If you don't know who any of these are, well, these are some of the big tech giants all across Asia. And there are billions of dollars in these groups and the industries of what they represent. Now, in terms of technology, these guys have infrastructure that allow you to have AI suites, whether it's for workflow, whether it's for creating tools, or whether it's for Web3 implementation using AI. And the reason why using AI in Web3 is so good is because AI generally will make things a lot more accustomed to common sense and a lot more efficient, cheaper over time. So anyone that's aligning with AI now and actually getting big partners such as Tencent and Alibaba will actually be thriving in the next few years for crypto. So the fact that these guys have their Mind token and they have all of this infrastructure already set up is a massive criteria tick box for the Mind token and the Morpheus Hub project as a whole. So these guys are actually going to have a Launchpad as well. We can see that they're saying that connecting high quality projects to our partners grants a boost. So we can see here that it says they're actually going to be doing a Launchpad as well. So they're going to allow the projects on the Launchpad to connect to their partners. And obviously that's going to grant a boost for adoption and obviously investment as well in the projects associated with the platform. Now it says leverage our AI-powered suite implementation tools to get fast-tracked with your launch and increase successful development. So as I said, anyone introducing and integrating AI into their products in Web3 right now will be set for success in the future. So having this as your service, really selling the pickaxes in a gold rush is what these guys are doing, and they're doing it incredibly well. Now, with these guys' vast network and superior AI technology, they're actually going to be doing a bunch of events and marketing. So there'll be joint press releases, AMA sessions, social media co-marketing, and then a bunch of events here that you can see that will basically revolve around the products that are associated with the Mind and Morpheus brand. This could be great for fundraising, could be great for just networking and promoting your project, and obviously adoption and distribution as well. Now, recently they did just put an update out on their Medium. You can see Morpheus Labs Web3 platform progress update for Q1. We can see they're saying they had a transformative quarter and their platform is generally coming along incredibly well. They've integrated with a bunch of different things here, such as KuCoin Exchange to automate trading, Stripe for credit card payments, and Dynamic for wallet and social login support. So those three alone are massive, and the rest of them, as well as what's to come with these guys, is something that you should have on your radar. They're going to be providing templates for the NFT marketplace, NFT minting, NFT membership solutions, and the tokenization of real-world assets. So as well as AI, the other huge trend in crypto right now as regulations ease in the US is RWA. And the fact that these guys are providing a platform for that is going to be huge for this ecosystem as a whole. Now, I'd highly recommend reading through this because what these guys are doing is really scaling it into every part of the crypto ecosystem using AI and using their incredibly fast and efficient infrastructure. As well as that, they have announced they are going to be releasing a DAO. What is a DAO? It's a decentralized autonomous organization. And what does that do? Well, basically, if you hold a token, you can essentially vote on the future of a project, the direction of a project. So if the project has a treasury, maybe you could vote to put that money into liquidity and earn for everyone involved in the project. That is just one example of what you can do with the DAO, or it could be partnering with a tech giant like Tencent. Someone proposes it, everyone votes on it, and then it goes through. So good stuff here. These guys are going the decentralized route here with a DAO. And the best way to get involved with the DAO, guys, is to actually get the Mind token, because that is obviously how you're going to be influencing the infrastructure here, because that is going to be how you can influence the project's future. Now, looking at their socials, they have 33,000 followers. And they have very popping socials with tons of engagement coming through here. So great stuff on the social and marketing side for this project. And you can see they are actually partnering and doing AMAs with people all of the time here throughout their socials. So overall here with this project, I think there is massive potential here for this token and for the ecosystem, the Morpheus Hub as a whole. This applies to developers, it applies to investors, and it actually applies to users as well, having an easy flow and having that infrastructure to help them onboard onto crypto much easier. But where can you actually buy the Mind token? Well, you can head over to KuCoin here and buy it on there, or you can do it on Mexi. It's really up to you. I imagine they'll have many more tier 1 exchange listings like you can see here anyway. But overall, I would say yes, the Morpheus Hub and the Mind token has a lot of potential. It should definitely be on your radar if you are into the AI and RWA trend. So that is the Morpheus Hub and the Mind token. Definitely consider checking it out in the description, but that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.